Today we're going to talk about how to make Play-Doh at home. This is the recipe and the ingredients that you're going to need. First, you're going to need 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of salt, 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar. You can find it in the cooking section at the store. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. A couple of drops of your favorite food coloring. And optional, a couple of drops of your favorite scent. I like lavender or jasmine. You're going to mix in oil, the food coloring, the scented oil drops inside the water. In another bowl, you're going to mix together all the dry ingredients. And then add the wet ingredients all together. Next, kids, this part is only for adults and your parents. You're going to need the stove on a medium setting. You're going to cook all the ingredients together in a non-stick pan, mixing constantly until they all form a dough. When it's ready to be touched, you're going to knead the dough with a little bit of flour. And now you have your Play-Doh ready to play. Before you play and after you play, I recommend that you wash your hands to make sure that we kill all those germs. We don't want to make each other sick. Now you can roll it. You can cut it. You can make shapes with it. You can practice your numbers. You can practice your letters. You can use Play-Doh shape cutters or cookie cutters if you have them at home. You can even make cool things like 3D shapes, among all kinds of other things. When you're done, we recommend that you store it in a Ziploc bag or in a plastic seal storage container so it doesn't get hard. There are so many benefits of playing with Play-Doh and so many things you can do. It's great for fine motor, imaginative play, and academic skills. So now be creative and have fun. Enjoy the Play-Doh.